In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off tablet mode on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for command, or rather the run command, and open it. After that, in here, what you need to type is regedit and click on OK. It's gonna open the register editor. Just expand this section. Scroll all the way up if you have things opened up. Then what you have to do is just go to computer, and from computer you need to open up your HKey local machine. From there you need to go inside systems, and from systems just open up current control set, and from there just open up control, and under control you need to search for priority control. So just search for priority control. There you go. And after you're in priority control, you'll see a file here called convertible slate mode, which basically means the tablet mode. You need to double tap on it. And as you can see, the value here is set to 0. And you need to make sure it's hexadecimal and set it to 1. Then just click on OK. And after you have done that, you can just go ahead and restart your computer. And after coming back, your tablet mode should be turned off. And basically, that is how to turn off tablet mode on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.